Hi everyone, welcome to TeluguOne Food. So I am myself Kiran. So today I am going to show you how to make Gazpacho soup. Tomato, onion, bell pepper, cucumber, mint, lime, cumin seeds, salt, pepper, little bit of tomato juice and Tabasco sauce. So I am gonna cut the cucumber. We need to take a seedless cucumber. And I'm gonna cut it into dice. And I have this is tomato. And some bell pepper. And I'm gonna grind it, all the vegetable together. And I'm gonna add a little bit of cumin seeds. So the puree is ready, and I'm gonna strain. So now puree is ready. I am going to refrigerate it for 3 to 4 hours until completely chilled. So this is completely chilled now. I am going to give a seasoning. Add some pepper and salt, little bit of lemon juice, and mix it well. Little bit of Tabasco sauce and mix it well. So now soup is ready. So finally we are done with Gazpacho. This is basically from Spain. So I am gonna garnish it with some onion and some red bell pepper and mint leaf.